Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today, I'd like to talk about the benefits of health insurance. Everyone residents in Japan basically have this health insurance card. This is my own card. Health insurance card has some merits, so I want you to remember some merits of health insurance card. I mentioned them today. So far, regarding social insurance system, I have already posted 2 videos. Number 1 is whole image. I introduced 5 insurances briefly. And second one is premiums. I explained how to calculate premium of each insurance, how much you have to pay. And today is here. I will focus on health insurance in detail. High-cost medical expense benefit, maternity benefits, and sickness and injury benefits. Before explaining these merits and benefits, let's share the main benefit I mentioned in a previous video. The table shows the rates of co-payments for each members. For example, preschool infants, the rate of co-payment is only 20%. In addition, regarding preschool infants, basically municipal office provide additional benefits. So I have 2 daughters, and when they were infants, I didn't need to pay medical expenses for them at all. And I belong to this member, students and adults up to 69 years old. My rate is about only 30%. All you have to do is to pay 30% of total medical expenses. However, even 30%, my medical expenses may be higher. In this case, we can apply to high-cost medical expense benefit. When your medical expense exceed a maximum co-payment amount on a monthly basis, it's a very important. Calculating your medical expenses in each month. And you have to obtain a certification to apply to the system through your company or municipal office. If you are employees, you can get through your company. And if you are self-employed, you have to go to the municipal office. And the maximum co-payment amount has 5 stages according to your income. Here is one of categories many insurers belong. Annual income from about 3,700,000 yen until 7,700,000 yen. And a maximum co-payment is calculating this formula. I mean, this is a saving of medical cost in each month. Suppose total medical cost is 1 million yen in a month. In this case, you have to pay 300,000 yen. 1 million times 30%. It's only 30%, but it's very expensive. So in this case, it's a saving thanks to high-cost medical expense benefit. 300,000 yen will be divided into 2 parts. By calculating this formula, and you have to pay only 87,430 yen, and you don't need to pay 212,570, or you can get refund this amount of money. It's a high-cost medical expense benefit. Next is maternity benefits. childbirth and childcare lump sum grant is 420,000 Japanese yen. You can receive one in any position, insurer, dependent, and self-employed. For example, when my wife gave birth to our babies, my wife was dependent of me. So instead of her, I got the lump sum grant, 420,000 Japanese yen through my health insurance association. For your information, when my younger daughter was born about 10 years ago, the childbirth expense was about 430,000 yen. I strongly remember. So I paid the difference of 10,000 yen, only 10,000 yen between the actual expense and the lump sum grant. Not only lump sum grant, but also maternity allowance will help you deliver. If your salary is not paid during your absence due to childbirth, you can get 2/3 of average salary. It's a period before 6 weeks and after 8 weeks. However, this is for employees. Next is sickness or injury allowance. It's very similar to maternity allowance. It's also for employees. When your salary is not paid during your absence due to sickness and injury, you can get 2/3 of average salary after waiting period 3 consecutive days. And after waiting period, you will be eligible for the sickness or injury allowance up to 1.5 years. Of course, if you become sickness or injury in your business hours or commute hours, in this case, you are covered by workers' accident compensation insurance. Today, I have just introduced some benefits and merits of health insurance. But please note, there are many exceptions and special cases. In addition, health insurance groups, societies may provide additional benefit. So if you belong to group or society, please confirm them. Next, I will focus on the benefit of nursing insurance in detail. So today that's all. Thank you very much.